everyone, it's Melody Lane, and it's Tuesday, another mystery box in March. But not one, but two! Two mystery boxes. They're both good for the Cuttlebug. One of them has a little extra in it. Okay, this is the first Cuttlebug box. So we're gonna call this Cuttlebug box number 1 or mystery box number 3 for March. Now for those of you in Canada, none of this stuff was available for you in Canada before because it was all on HSN. This isn't for the Cuttlebug. Probably maybe cut it with some dyes on the Cuttlebug, but it's fabric from Cricut. I love the Cricut fabric. Let me open this up really fast. Show you what's in it. This is so pretty. Look at this fabric. Look, they go together. This is a solid piece. Totally looks great with this piece. You could make some pretty bags with that, cut them on your maker, or cut them with scissors. Oh, and this is not solid. I don't know if you can see. It's got little tiny, it's almost solid. And then you have this, and these are all folded. So they're actually like this big. And they're Riley Blake designs. Riley Blake fabric is very high quality. Okay, now with the rest of the stuff in the Cuttlebug mystery box, I'm gonna show you what's in it, and then I have a playlist of videos that shows you how to use what's in it and some ideas of how to use what's in it. So first we have Cuttlebug Anna Griffin All Hearts dies. Not only do you get the dies, you get an embossing mat, and it has directions, dies. Now, if you look in the playlist of videos, up in the upper right-hand corner, there's a video from HSN that shows you all of these and shows you projects with these. And she talks about how you could thread string through here to really make them cool. And she has lots of examples of cards and scrapbook pages with these dies. So make sure you check that out. And you also get Paper Tricks number 1. These embossing folders are 12 inches long, so you need the 12-inch plates to use with your Cuttlebug. And there are complete instructions on how to use this. And in my playlist, go up to the top corner, move the mouse around, and you'll see that little eye. Click on that, and there are 2 videos, I think, that show you how to use these. And then there's also the HSN video that shows all kinds of projects with these. And she also shows how to use them on that too. And shows you everything you get. These were an HSN exclusive. You couldn't buy these from Cricut.com or in the stores. So these are awesome for those of you from Canada. These were never available to you. So you get 6 in these sizes. And they make rosettes and like ribbons and all different kinds of things that you can make with your paper. Pleated paper, this makes it so easy. Check out those other videos, they're amazing. And then you get 2 like this. So you can make bigger rosettes, or you can put smaller paper in and make smaller ones. No more scoring on your own, this does it for you. Okay, so that's all that is in the Cuttlebug box number 1. Now I'm gonna show you Cuttlebug box number 2. But let me show you how to use the playlist in the videos. Okay guys, I wanna show you how to use the playlist and where it shows up. Now this is a video I have on the Rose and Mint, my unboxing, and I make a card. Now watch in the upper right-hand corner of the video. I have the sound off. Okay, now see that up here in this corner? If you click that, you'll get the playlist, but I'm gonna let it go because you don't have to click it right now. You can hit it anytime you want. See, like when I move my mouse over, the little eye comes back. So I'm gonna click on that eye. And then this is the playlist. So it shows here 11. That means there are 11 videos in it. Let's click it. These are Anna Griffin videos. So this top one will show you that, the paper tricks. And it doesn't say paper tricks 1 because when she made this, there was only 1 paper trick. And here's paper tricks too. You can just click on that video. If you didn't buy the first Cuttlebug mystery box and you only bought the second one, you might want to just skip the first two. And you can also see them here on HSN. This number right here shows you how long the video is. So I'm going to show that. This is the beginning of HSN, shows you what it is, how much it is. I like to skip. Look at how big that rosette is. I'm just skipping through the video a little bit. And she shows you how to use them. So this gives you inspiration and shows you projects that she used these folders on. You can use them on scrapbook pages like these, and then she also shows them on cards. Here's some cards she has. So you can skip through these, and they're really fun to watch after you buy that's a really pretty card. After you buy the mystery box, you can watch these videos. And then this last video, she does a demonstration. It's less than 2 minutes long, and she shows you how to use the dies that also are cut and emboss. And you get some of those with the mystery boxes. So make sure you watch that if you've never used these before. Are you ready for box number 2? I forgot to tell you, box number 1, the manufacturer's suggested retail price is over $99. This suggested retail price is $126. And you get paper tricks number 2. Now, in the paper tricks number 2, you also get a green embossing mat. So if you buy just one, if you buy just the Cuttlebox number 1, you get an embossing mat. Or if you just buy Cuttlebox number 2, you get an embossing mat. If you buy them both, you get 2 embossing mats. Also get these dies. And these dies make things fit in these folders. Let's open these up. You also you have some of these. These are 12-inch, so you have to have the 12-inch plates. You have 3 of these. And then these fit the dies. And there's some there, and there's some there. And you can make so many cool things on these. You have to watch that playlist of videos. And you get instructions. Look, you can make a tiny little envelope. And these. And these. So many cool things. Look at that flower. That's not all. And when you use my code, Melody Lane, you get free shipping, even to Canada, and save 10% off the mystery box. If you have excess, you get another 10% off. These. These are awesome. These are the mix and match folders. I think these were like a $65 manufactured suggested retail price. These are dies that are made to fit these that you can mix and match. You get these and these. You get instructions and you get these beautiful folders. And then you put those little pieces in and you can change the sentiments. They have all different kinds of sentiments. All right, and there's also videos for this in that playlist I set up for you. Make sure you watch the HSN videos. They're really informative and then has ideas and things made with these and shows you how to use them. All right, guys, that's it. Please click the link in my description and thank you, Cricut, for sending these to me so I can show all of you guys what's in the mystery boxes. I do get a small commission when you use my link. You can also use my code. I don't get anything from my code. I only get it from the link in the description. I'll also put a link to the playlist in the description below in case you can't see it up in the video. All right, guys, have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.